Post-crash emergency response. Effective post-crash response can make the difference between survival and death, preventing injuries becoming life-changing. At the scene, bystanders must be able to communicate with the emergency services, ideally via a single national number everyone knows. The dispatcher must be able to identify and mobilize the services needed and instruct callers on what to do while waiting. Remote support by trained experts helps. Emergency services must be able to reach victims quickly. Every minute is critical. Without effective coordination, time can be wasted. Emergency services must work together following agreed protocols. Each service has an important role. Securing the scene, identifying victims needing most urgent care, extrication, preventing fires, and safely transporting the injured. One service should manage the scene. Then there is no competition between rescuers. First responders need skills to stabilize victims and ensure the best outcomes. This includes clearing airways and breathing, maintaining circulation, and preventing blood loss. Ideally, all emergency services should be trained to provide basic first aid. Sometimes, extrication from the vehicle is needed, requiring special training and equipment. Trained and equipped personnel needs to be located where they can reach crashes quickly. Ambulances also need to be located strategically. Ideally, they should have equipment that allows patients with breathing difficulties to be intubated, oxygenated, and ventilated. As a minimum, they must be able to move and transport victims safely and monitor them during the journey. Communication is vital. Sending photos ahead can help. Hospitals must know victims are on their way. Then they can react rapidly on arrival. This means effective triage, screening, registration, and if needed, resuscitation. Then, rapid intervention by trained trauma care specialists. If a transfer is needed to a more specialized care, this should be anticipated and facilitated. While every crash is unique, effective post-crash response should be like a well-functioning machine, able to cope with many situations. This requires cooperation, communication, coordination, and shared priorities.